Welcome everybody! It's Eunice from Aerial Practice, a place where beginner aerialists grow together. After a month of practicing hoop, I'm very excited to get back on the hammock again. If you're new, click the red subscribe button. It's free and you will never miss a practice. Now let's get to the hammock and have some fun! I am starting with my left leg in the hammock, bringing my body up. Bringing the right shoulder forward, both hands on the fabric. Notice that my right shoulder is the free side. This is how I remember which direction to turn. Now I'm turning to the right. My left foot is feeling a bit weird, but don't worry. I'm lifting myself up and kicking my left foot to the left at the same time to arrive at the cross-back position. Next, I'm lifting and squeezing my core to go to a straddle. If you find this challenging, check out the aerialist core routine in the description below. Return from the straddle. Now I'm bringing the right leg forward. Left hand grabs the fabric close to my hip. I'm releasing my left foot for a pose. Then I'm bringing my knees in to land my legs on the hammock. So now I can finish this trick with a mermaid. Now let's practice the other side before the next sequence. Right leg in the hammock, bringing the body up. Now left shoulder forward, both hands on the left fabric. Since left shoulder is my free side, I am turning to the left, lifting and kicking the right foot to the right. Lift to go up to a straddle. I will just enjoy the I did it feeling for now. I will add the aerial split here in the final flow. I'm coming back from the straddle. Left leg forward, positions the hands. Releasing the foot, I am bringing my knees in. And finish with a mermaid.
A friend. He moved around and we kept in touch to his friend Mike. The word was young and he knew we couldn't rush by. Whenever I got lonely or needed some advice, he gave me his shoulder. His words were very nice. But that is all behind me, 'cause now there is no other. Love is his and his is mine. A friend becomes the love of my life. You are the friend, love of my life. I can't say bad, love of my life. Without you, baby, like a
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Feel free to leave me a comment and let me know. Take care now, practice safe, and see you in next week's videos.